Hello, welcome everyone. I would like to welcome you on the behalf of Engineering Technique. So today we are here for one session on the support version information of the SolidWorks and the subscription benefit. So my name is Deep Shukla. I am working as an application engineer here at Engineering Technique at the Vadodara location. So today we have planned one session on the this topic. So let's get started. So our agenda will be SolidWorks support information in terms of Windows OS, then benefits of subscription. If you renew your SolidWorks license, so what type of benefits you will be getting. So those type of information I will share with you. And last I will share a very crucial information about the value added services VAS activity information. So first we will focus on the SolidWorks support information. So in which SolidWorks version support. So many of our customer has asked us, we are upgrading our IT, we are upgrading our softwares, we are upgrading this, we are transferring from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So whether SolidWorks will support or not. So in SolidWorks there is one website in where you can find the information about the SolidWorks version support. So I will take you through that website. Here SolidWorks and SolidWorks data management system requirements. So I have also posted the link. So you can also check. I will also share you that link also. Here you can see the system requirements and operating system for the SolidWorks. So SolidWorks 2020, 2021 and SolidWorks 2022. Last 3 years of version is detailed shown here. So in Windows 11 the support will be announced from SolidWorks 2022. So that doesn't mean it will not work on the SolidWorks 2022 in Windows 10. It will work, but the proper support of the SolidWorks 2022 will be starting from the Windows 11. Then Windows 7 end of life. Many customer has using the Windows 7 and now they have to move because they are upgrading SolidWorks from 2020 to 2021 because Windows 7 will not support the SolidWorks 2021. So this is the information I would like to share with you. The Windows 10 is now available with all the current versions of the SolidWorks. The same way, if you are using the server products or the network products, the Windows Server version is also listed here. So you can refer this link, and in that link you will get all the required information. SQL information will be also there. Then most frequently asked question: hardware, processor, RAM, graphics, drivers. So all these things here which is mentioned, it is only the recommended things or minimum requirement should be this. If you want to work on a very basic level, even though you need this type of system. So 3.3 gigahertz or higher processor you required, RAM 16 GB. Then if you are using PDM or any other software, then additional 8 GB would be advisable. And certified hardware and drivers, all if you click here there will be one separate link of the hardware and drivers. You can search your versions, you can search your vendor, and you will be having all the list of the drivers which are supported to the SolidWorks. So this way you can finalize your system and you can decide what type of system you should purchase or you should upgrade. Then here one is the product support life cycle. So Windows 11 will be announced, still not announced. Windows 10 is supporting from SolidWorks 2015 version to till date, and Windows 7 was supporting into SolidWorks 2010 to SolidWorks 2020 SP5. So these are the end of life information of that. The same way Excel. So many customer also facing this issue. So because they are using the older version of the Microsoft Excel. So a Microsoft Word 2013 will be support SolidWorks 2013 to SolidWorks 2020, if you are upgrading SolidWorks 2021, so Excel Word 2013 will not be going to support. So this is a very crucial information while you are taking decisions to upgrading your systems. So I will also share this link at the end of this session to the every user, so you can identify and you can check whether you require or not. Then just a minute. Yeah. Then next one is benefits of the subscription. So there are many benefits of the subscription. I have listed the major benefits you are getting under the active subscription of your SolidWorks or any other SolidWorks related licenses. So first one is the new software release and updates, then local technical support through your VAR. In your case, we are engineering technique is your VAR, so you can contact us. My.solidworks portal, customer portal, value added services, certification exams, SolidWorks Game standard, SolidWorks Visualize standard, beta and early visibility programs. So these are the benefits you will be get while you are on the current active subscription. So moving in detail, so new software release. So every year SolidWorks releases the new version. So you will be having the immediate access of that version if you are on the current subscription. Then latest enhancement and performance improvement will be always there in the SolidWorks upgrade. So you will be getting those updates also. You will be also getting the new enhanced or new release features while you are upgrading your SolidWorks version. Then every year SolidWorks updates is service pack. So SolidWorks initially launches the SP0 and at the end of the year SolidWorks release SP5. In between that year SolidWorks release SP1, 2, 3 and 4. So SP5 will be the most stable version of that particular version. So currently we are having the SolidWorks 2021 SP5. So that will be the most stable version of the SolidWorks 2021. Then next one you will be get is local technical support. So local technical support will be provided by us engineering technique as you are our customer. So the support will be provided by the dedicated application engineers. So engineers are certified in the level of till the expert level they are certified. So they will directly going to support you through your phone calls, through your emails, through your web meetings, or the offline support call also will be considered in this case. So we will be also providing the training. Then support call online, offline, or the major part here is service request. So service request is something where we reach to the SolidWorks team. So that time SolidWorks team will assist us to solve that issue. So service request will be also the part comes under the subscription. If you are in an active subscription, you will be having a chance to submit your request to the DASO, and the DASO will be going to support in resolving your issue. Then next is beta and early visibility program. So beta is something if SolidWorks is going to launch any new version, before that version comes into the market, they will give that version to the VAR or to the customers who are already using the SolidWorks or who are already on the latest platform. They will give them chance to work on that software and give your precious or crucial feedback to the SolidWorks, so accordingly they can change or accordingly they can modify the software. So if you find any box, and you can also submit that box, and they will definitely going to work on that. So that type of privilege you will also get during the subscription period. Then in My SolidWorks, what type of things you can do? So My SolidWorks, you can have the convenient unlimited access of the online training session. Then you can download the CAD models. You can get the support from there also. And there is also one common forums for the worldwide users. So you can connect to any users through the My SolidWorks forums, and you can communicate your issue also to that user. So that will be the worldwide platform that you will be having access. So I will show you how My SolidWorks will look like. This is the portal of the My SolidWorks. You just need to log in here. As a customer, you will be having one SolidWorks ID. You need to insert that credential and you will be logged in. After that, you are having many stuff here. Then CAD models is the important thing. You can also upload the CAD models. You can also download the CAD models. You can share your models to the community also. So it will reach more to the more and more people. Then training. So training is something you as a particular designer or as a design engineer you will be love, because in that there is lots of learning paths and lessons available, e-courses available, recorded session available. Whatever you want to learn, you can directly learn through the training. There are lot many learning paths is there. So if you want to learn any of the topic regarding SolidWorks, you can directly start any of the topic. The recording session will be there. You can directly learn those things anytime, anywhere, on any device by just logging with your credential. So that is the biggest benefit over here. Then the same way you will be also getting a customer portal account. So SolidWorks account and customer portal account is the same, just portal login is different. You can use same credential to log in into the customer portal also. The customer portal gives you one knowledge base, place where a SolidWorks has a list of troubleshooting techniques, common questions, known bugs, and helpful information. So before reaching to any VAR local system, if you want to just search about your issue, so you can log into the customer portal, you can go to the knowledge base, just search the keywords you are facing the issue, then they will show you the related solutions with the SolidWorks. So this way you can also resolve your problem by using the customer portal. In any other case, if you have created any service request, so you will be having access to view that service request. So what is the reply from the SolidWorks team? If you want to review that reply, you can check that service request into your customer portal. Then you can also download the latest release of the SolidWorks version. Whenever SolidWorks new version or service pack releases, you can directly download by using your credential of the SolidWorks. Then product. You can register and review the assigned product. If in your organization there is an admin, if admin assigns you any product, then you can review those product. This product is assigned to me. So I will also show you that customer portal. So you just need to search SolidWorks customer portal, log in into the portal. The portal something is look like this. Okay. So here right hand side you will be having some latest news. So SolidWorks 2022 SP1 is available for download. If you are on subscription, you can definitely download that SolidWorks 2022 version. So you can directly go to the knowledge base, you can search anything, whatever the issue you are facing, you can search about that issue. You can see your SR which is created by you or us. You can review your product, you can register your product. If you want to register any serial number or any license, you can directly register for your account through this register my product. Then you can also using by SolidWorks link, you can contact to your social media community, YouTube channels, LinkedIn's. So you can directly going to connect with the platform. Then you can also check that system requirements which I showed you the first, that is also you can check by here. So if you are admin, then you can directly use the CAD admin dashboard through your customer portal. So here you will also get the information about your value added reseller, your local technical support. You can directly find from here. You can also download the and updates. You can communicate through the community. So these are the things. There are many things available in the customer portal. So by utilizing, you can do all this stuff. Then next and very best benefit of the subscription is certification exam. Just a minute. In a certification exam, you will be having chance to appear in the SolidWorks Certified Associate or SolidWorks Certified Premium at any of the in a single time, or in a other advanced topic like drawing tools, mold making, sheet metal, surface, weldments. Any of this exam you can give by using your SolidWorks credential under the active subscription. So for that you required one virtual tester ID and one SolidWorks ID. So by syncing those two IDs, you can directly appear into the SolidWorks exam, and you also plan this whole exam, and you can contact us. We will definitely help for your organization to conduct this exam for your designers to make certified. So that is also one benefit which comes under the active subscription of the SolidWorks. Then SolidWorks Visualize. So when you are in an active subscription, you will be getting one SolidWorks Visualize standard, but here the condition is you have to purchase the SolidWorks Professional or Premium. It will not included with the SolidWorks standard. It will be only included with the SolidWorks Professional or SolidWorks Premium. So Visualize is a product which is fastest and easiest way to create a photorealistic or photo quality images. You can use those images for your marketing content. Those are the rendered images, so ready to use for branding. So you can directly insert those images into your website, your browsers, or any marketing campaign. So that will be very useful for you to use those images and make your product to the next level in a realistic manner. Again, there is another benefit which comes is SolidWorks Game. SolidWorks Game comes with the all Game standard comes with the all products of the SolidWorks Standard, Professional and Premium, in which you can do 2.5 axis milling. It has automatic feature recognition and parametric relation with CAD. It means if you change any dimension or any size into your CAD file, it will be also affect into the CAM file also. So SolidWorks CAM standard will be also the part of the SolidWorks subscription. So these are the main points. Now we are coming to the value added services VAS activities. So these are the activities list which we are performing for the every customers on a quarterly basis. So this activity includes what's new session. So what's new session means we are providing a session, a complete presentation on what are the new features launched in the new release of the SolidWorks. Then we will do a strategic value assessment. So strategic value assessment is what we are, if new customer purchases a license, we went to that customer, we meet that customers, we understand the requirements of that customer. So what type of utilization they are currently doing in the SolidWorks, what percentage of SolidWorks they are utilizing. Then based on that work and product, we will be going to advise them you should use this type of feature that will improve your productivity. So after the strategic value assessment meeting, we will be doing a productivity enhancement activity. In that productivity enhancement activity, we will meet the designers, design managers, or in some case all design team. So we will going to improve that productivity, based on by giving some tips, or by providing training session, or by introducing new features previously they were not using, but we found that they should, by using that feature, that the time, the amount they require will be very less to produce and drawing. So we will definitely suggest that tips or that technique to them to improve that productivity. Then tips and trick session. In tips and trick session, we at the very beginning level we are providing UI customization, shortcuts, if they are using some particular tool, so how you can utilize that tool effectively, what are the small tips, what are the keyboard shortcuts, how you can customize the user interface. So those type of short presentation and short tips we are providing to the customers, or it is basically for the designer level to fasten their speed in the designing or making the designs. And certification drive is also the part of the value added services. After all this activity, what's new, strategic value assessment, productivity enhancement, tips and trick session, then we will ask customers to appear for the exam so they can check their skill, so what level they are working. So if they want any help in preparing the exam, that time we are also providing them any training, or if they require any help, we will definitely providing them training or any type of sessions to improve that skills in the appearing for the exam. Then design audit. The design audit which we are doing is for the large customer. The purpose of design audit is, if the customer is having for example more than 10 licenses, so we will try to identify so what type of utilization they are doing, how they are communicating with the other department, how they are working internally, what is the way of data management, how they are sharing that drawings to the other department, how they are maintaining the data, what is the structure. So after studying all these things, infrastructures, hardware, IT systems, then we will going to provide them a standard suggestions or standard report on based on their requirement. So if you follow that thing, if you implement that thing, that will be definitely going to helpful in your future any project, or that will going to helpful for your productivity improvement also. So these are the main advantages value added services which is performed by the subscription application engineer or application engineer for specific focused to the customer. These activities are not a general activities. These activities are based on the customer focus only. So we are not doing any of the activity on a general basis. We are particularly meeting the individual customers and doing this activity on an individual customer base only. So these are the value added services. Then with this slide we comes with the summary session. So we have started with the SOLIDWORKS support information, in which I have shown you the Windows OS support, which version supports the SOLIDWORKS. Then we come to the benefits of the subscription, new software release and updates, local technical support by the VAR, My SOLIDWORKS portal usage, customer portal usage, value added services, SOLIDWORKS Game standard and visualize standards are the product which comes under the active subscription. And last we have seen in detail the value added service information VAS activity in detail. So with this if you have any questions, so you can ask me, so I will happy to share you the answers. Yeah, we are open for the Q&A session. We'll wait for 2-3 minutes. If you have any question, you can also type into the chat box. I will reply. So far I don't see any questions, so no issue. Here is my contact number. You can definitely contact us or our marketing team for any support related things, so we will be happy to help you. And I would really like to thank each one of you for joining today's session, and I hope this session was helpful. Thank you very much all.